While equities may not have had a great year in 2022, the cryptocurrency had a dreadful year. The long losing streak for equities this year is projected to continue as the S&P 500 is predicted to conclude the year down 17%. The situation is substantially worse for Bitcoin and other well-known cryptocurrencies. ETH is down 66% on the year compared to BTC, which is down 64%. As the risk curve widens, the bulk of other notable altcoins is down by more than 90%. Do you recall a time when the Federal Reserve maintained interest rates at zero and temporary inflation? How much a year can change? Bitcoin, BTC, was approximately $48,000 and Ethereum, ETH, was worth over $3,800 in January 2022. The Fed's fight against inflation is mostly to blame for the dramatic decline in both of these top coins. But not just. Nobody should be surprised by losses given the abundance of crypto meltdowns, bankruptcies, and instability that have occurred over the past year. The present discussion is on whether the market will still be in a chaotic state in 2023 and how long the crypto winter might last. How long will the crypto winter last? Cryptocurrency has experienced boom and bust cycles before. A glance at Bitcoin's price development, the industry standard, illustrates the point. BTC plummeted 84% to $3,000 in 2018 after a spectacular rise to around $20,000 in November 2020. BTC reversed course and climbed to about $17,000 before surging even higher. BTC saw a 50% decline in May 2021 before rising to all-time highs of about $69,000 later that year. Many experts believe that the present retreat is distinct because of the challenges the larger economy is currently facing. Since Bitcoin only came into existence in 2009, during the Great Recession, crypto market downturns have not previously coincided with a bear market in the broader financial sector. From 2009 until 2021, the financial markets experienced a protracted bull run that was only briefly halted by the COVID-19 pandemic slump in early 2020. The opening of the stock market this year exceeded the lows of March 2009, which happened just 2 months after Bitcoin's creation, by an astounding 7 times. But the twin headwinds of high inflation and Fed interest rate hikes have severely hurt the stock and cryptocurrency markets. Risky assets, including equities and cryptocurrencies, suffer when interest rates rise. This is done so that when interest rates rise and the economy's liquidity is depleted, the assets at the extremes of the risk spectrum suffer the most. The same issue that is hurting cryptocurrencies is also driving down the value of IT equities. The worst hit companies are Apple, minus 22%, Netflix, minus 52%, and Meta, minus 67%. You will need to wait and see how long and sustained the current high inflation will remain, which will determine the Fed's aggressive monetary policy and effectively determine how long the crypto winter will persist. The only things that can assist cryptocurrency right now are decreasing rates and easing inflation. Bitcoin, BTC, forecast for 2023. At the end of the year, the price of Bitcoin is approximately $16,800, down from nearly $19,500 on the eve of the FTX crisis. BTC has additional room to fall if the effects of FTX's bankruptcy continue to spread. Even well-known Bitcoin supporter Cathie Wood, CEO of ARK Invest, admits that huge financial institutions would soon pull back from cryptocurrency because of FTX. Another run down to the $10,000 mark for BTC in 2023 may not be so far-fetched, with larger markets suffering and crypto's reputation severely damaged by the crisis and scandals of 2022. Analysts at JP Morgan Chase & Company agree that the bottom is still yet to come. With a cascade of margin calls occurring across the market as a result of recent events, the bank estimates that Bitcoin's floor will be around $13,000. Another tool used by strategists to forecast how low prices may go is the cost of generating Bitcoin. Although the production cost is present at $15,000, the JP Morgan team stated in a note that it is expected to revisit the $13,000 low witnessed over the summer months. Ethereum ETH forecast for 2023. At least until recently, Ethereum has typically moved in the same way as Bitcoin. Market capitalization predicts that the second-largest cryptocurrency will undergo a significant network redesign as a result of the Ethereum merger in September 2022. Some analysts predict that the price action of the pair may soon decouple. Kemmerer predicts that during the next 6 months, the cryptocurrency's price might rise to $2,500. Even if this is an extremely bullish scenario, the same things that determine the price of Bitcoin also affect the price of ETH. The macroeconomic environment needs to be favorable for upward gains to resume. If it doesn't, Ethereum will probably decline much more. Given that the price of ETH fell below $1,000 in June, it wouldn't be unexpected if it rose back to that level during the following 6 months should additional unfavorable catalysts emerge.